Every legendary weapon begins not as a machine, but as raw steel born in fire. This steel is melted, purified, and shaped into solid forms strong enough to survive war. Cooling slowly, the metal gains strength, preparing for its transformation. Large blocks are cut down into pieces that will soon become rifle components. This part will become the backbone of the rifle, the receiver. Solid steel rods are prepared to become the rifle's barrel. A perfectly centered hole is drilled through solid steel. Spiral grooves inside the barrel guide every shot with controlled force. Heat treatment strengthens the metal to survive extreme pressure and temperature. This balance of heat and cooling gives the rifle its legendary toughness. Machines cut every detail with microscopic accuracy. Moving parts are refined to work smoothly under harsh conditions. Stocks are made separately, designed for comfort and durability. This balance of heat and cooling gives the rifle its legendary toughness. Protective finishes guard the rifle against rust, sand, and moisture. Every component is inspected before assembly begins. Internal systems are aligned for reliability, not luxury.
The rifle finally takes its complete form.
Each unit is tested for smooth movement and balance. No imperfections are allowed to pass. The rifle is tested to confirm reliability under controlled conditions. After testing, every rifle is cleaned and preserved. Each rifle receives its official identity. Only approved units move forward. Prepared for storage and transport. These rifles may wait years before service. Built not for beauty, but for endurance.